Finally, we are near the Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi. This is his Samadhi, and this is the dog. His dog. ఆయన కుక్క చనిపోయినప్పుడు ఆయనతో పాటు చేతిలో దొరికిన కుక్క ఇదే శివాజీ మహారాజ్ సమాధి. Now back to me, you can see the Shivaji Maharaj Samadhi, and here it's mentioned that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj took his last breath on 3rd April of 1980 at the Raigad Fort, and his last rites were performed in front of East Gate of Jagadishwar Temple. This 8-sided stone Chhatri stands on the octagonal platform, was built in memory. ఇదే శివాజీ మహారాజ్ సమాధి. ఫైనలీ వీఆర్ హియర్. జగదీశ్వర్ టెంపుల్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఉంటుందండి ఇది. ఇదే శివాజీ మహారాజ్ సమాధి. ఫైనలీ వీఆర్ హియర్. సో హ్యాపీ దట్ అండ్ బలిదాన్ దివస్ ఈరోజు శంభాజీ మహారాజ్ చనిపోయిన రోజు. సో వీఆర్ విజిటింగ్ దిస్ ప్లేస్ in memory of his great son Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Oh, finally we are here. Thank you for watching it, and a beautiful place it is. Like final memory where this is the Jagadishwar temple. This is his resting place, final resting place of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, it's a beautiful place it is. Like here is and dogs. There are inscriptions in Marathi as well, Kannada. Long view.